Welcome, guys, and thank you for joining me today. Today, I would like to talk to you about ticker ALIT. Again, it's ticker ALIT. The market is giving us some absolute craziness, and if you are staring at ticker ALIT on your screen right now, I know you're probably feeling a lot of pressure. The chart has been a complete roller coaster. Just a bit ago, we were looking at the major change at the bottom with a brand new permanent CFO stepping in on June the 15th to try and turn things around. But right on the heels of that news, we got hit with a reality check. The stock is also fighting for its life, down around 78 cents per share. Please keep in mind right from the start, I am just a retail investor sharing my own journey, and everything in this video is strictly my own view and my own opinion. So I'm going to take a deep breath and look at why this stock is on my radar and figure out what the facts are telling us, okay? If you are looking at this setup and wondering why the stock even caught my eyes, it is because it fits the exact strategy that I would like to use for this channel. My focus is strictly on stocks trading under $1 that have a much higher book value. So right now, as of today, ticker ALIT is sitting at 78 cents per share on the chart, but its book value is actually tracking way higher at roughly $1.99 per share. In my view, when you see a company whose actual background accounting value is set at nearly $2 per share, but market panic has beaten the share down to 80 cents, you have a massive disconnect. But trading in this territory comes with an intense heat, and we have to talk about it. And the stock is also facing a massive compliance hurdle on the exchange as well right now. So let's talk about that. Because ticker ALIT trades on the New York Stock Exchange, it has to follow their strict rules, meaning the price cannot just sit under $1 forever without getting kicked off the exchange. And because it has been stuck down here, ticker ALIT officially received a warning letter from the NYSE. To fix this, a massive reverse stock split is officially on the table, guys, right now. They're asking shareholders to vote on shrinking down the total number of shares out there just to push the stock price back up and follow the rules and be in compliance. In my view, the reverse split is like a restaurant taking a pizza, cutting it into fewer, much larger slices, and trying to tell you that you magically have larger meal. But you don't. Your total value stays exactly the same. You just have fewer pieces, meaning fewer shares, right? Now, a lot of people see a warning letter and a reverse split and they completely panic. But in my opinion, ticker ALIT has the muscle to survive this, guys. This isn't some empty shell company with no money. When you look at their actual financials, they have generated over $500 million in revenue just in the first quarter of this year. On top of that, they have over $500 million in total liquidity, including more than $170 million in cold hard cash sitting on their balance sheet. Plus, over 90% of their business comes from stable recurring revenue. In my view, a company with that much steady income and hundreds of millions in cash is not going to disappear. They have a real safety cushion to fix their problems and get back on track, guys. Yet, full disclosure for everyone watching or listening, I actually do own shares of ticker ALIT myself. My own money is right in the ring getting chopped up with yours. So I am feeling every single one of those price swings right along with you. We are going head to head against Wall Street computers here, and seeing a stock drop can make your palms sweat. Again, I do want to tell you that this is not a financial advice, just my own personal view. To help handle the stress of this wild swings and to fix your mindset, I highly recommend reading. And one of the books that I can actually recommend to you is called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. It has been therapy for me, and I believe that it can be therapy for a lot of the retail traders out there. And I have left my personal Amazon link for its right at the top of the description below so you can grab a copy cheap. Manage your risk, guys. Take a deep breath and step away from the screen for a bit. Outrun the excuses and silence the noise. And protect your capital. Guys, could you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so we can track the next market open together? And remember, always, to buy low and sell high. I'll catch you guys later in the next video. And thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day.